What's going on, everybody? I'm Justin.
I'm Rachel.
And welcome again to Foodie Duo. Alright guys, so obviously it's been way too long since we've made our last video. It's been months, but there's been so many things that have changed in our life. As you can see, we're actually in a new house, we're in a new state, we have new jobs, we're just completely changed our life from the last time you guys saw us. We just moved from Denver, Colorado, and we just moved to Phoenix.
And
so
we moved during a pandemic.
Yeah, so not only that, not only moving being a big deal, but during a pandemic is just crazy in itself. So, you know, a lot of stuff been going on in the world. Definitely, I'm in a new career path right now. Not really new, going back to where I belong. I'm back in the sales field.
Yeah, so we're sorry we've been gone. There's no excuses, but our lives have been like at a high stress, and now we're back to normal, so we're just ready to get back into it. But this is more of a vlog. We're just updating you with our lives.
Lots have changed.
A lot has changed. Guys, we are super excited to be back. We have a huge announcement at the end of this video. Trust me guys, you're gonna love it. This is gonna be our house tour. Hope you guys enjoy.
Did you do it already?
I'm gonna run it.
Oh.
Yeah. Guys, 6:34 and our tea time's in 6 minutes.
Before any of you even think about it, this is the last color they had. This is the absolute last color they had.
It is Under Armour.
They didn't have any more Under Armour. My Under Armour logo's on the other side.
Is it?
Does it have one?
No, it's like, it says like,
Looks like I'm in some sort of frat club or something. I don't even know what that logo
You
is.
a frat boy now. There's my ball. Where is it?
It's way over there.
Thanks, babe.
Rachel Little. Coming up on the first hit. This right here. Oof. Did you miss? That wasn't practice.
It was practice.
You've been doing good all day, and then you get under camera and you turn into Figo Woods. Oh, dude, that was a perfect hit.
That was a good hit. That hit the tree. Oh, a little left. Not bad. You're still on the.
I could pitch it on.
You're still on the fairway.
Why was I facing so far away?
Guys, this is pretty cool. You can see as a GPS, literally.
This is the cheapest golf course. All the other ones were expensive.
Literally. So the best thing about where we moved, guys, is everything is probably what?
5 minutes
like
away.
5 minutes away. Our gym, everything, the grocery stores.
My work is only like 9 minutes
Yeah,
away.
Justin, this is the first time he's ever worked this close to.
It's usually a
job.
35-minute drive for me. 35, 45-minute drive, and this one is literally 9 minutes, so I don't even know how to react to it.
I was used to 45 minutes in Denver.
Yeah, exactly. Well,
45 minutes.
That's one thing I do like about Phoenix. I do gotta say that is their traffic is not bad.
It's
Denver has bad traffic. We do love, you know, we really do. It's a different beauty. People are gonna be like, why'd you move to Phoenix so ugly? But
it's definitely more beautiful. You'll see more in the other vlogs. Like, we do pretty
hikes
here.
Yeah, we go like because we're gonna still do our Colorado things. But yeah, we've been thinking about Arizona for probably the past year.
And we've been talking about it for probably
2 years.
Yeah.
So it's the birthday cake donut, but I don't see it.
Do you guys have the birthday cake donut?
No, we don't. I'm sorry.
So, plan B, no one has it. Like, there's We called 3 different Dunkin' Donuts. All of them don't have the new donut. So
We're moving back to Colorado. They don't have it.
on the 18th.
on the 18th? Okay. Can we try the cotton candy blizzard?
Yeah, what size?
Small.
A small?
Okay.
And then can I get the frosted animal cookie blizzard?
What size?
We'll do a medium.
Okay.
No, and then I think that'll do it. Foodie Dope. We can't catch a break. Everything that's being announced
It's not here.
is nowhere to be found in Arizona, so that's a problem. So, I'm gonna do something different this time. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try both of them first. Wait a minute.
What?
And I'm gonna guess which one Rachel will like better.
I think you'll know, but.
We'll see.
Alright, let's see.
Alright, so I'm gonna guess. Cotton candy. Here it is. It's a big bite. Pretty
Yeah.
good. Then here's the animal cracker. You gotta get a cracker in it. Alright. Okay. And cotton candy.
If you don't get this right,
If the cotton candy. Alright, so the cotton candy was really vanilla-y, and you like vanilla. But I think that you did mention something about the crunch. 3, 2, 1. Animal cracker. Alright.
Okay. Alright.
I like the animal cracker more, but it's not like as big of a jump as you think. Like,
I disagree.
of course you do.
Cotton candy one is a little too sweet. Like, it just tastes like sugar little rocks.
Okay. Tiny. That's still good though.
It's got like a raspberry flavor.
Scale of 1 to 10, 7.5. Yeah,
I don't know.
I
about
like
that.
it. I like it. Okay, animal cracker. Honest though,
Animal cracker.
10 being Shaun White's last snowboard ride. Like that's you can't sit here and just say everything's a 10, Rachel. I guess you can because it's your life. But
10.
really, out of 10? Like,
No, it's definitely like a 9.5. What's yours?
Probably 8.5.
I see. So
Probably 8.5.
Animal
Yeah.
cracker takes the dub. Worst comeback, but best comeback.
Yeah, so
I don't
this
know.
one's gonna be more, like I said, a vlog. With that being said, I'm excited to be back. I'm definitely excited to be back. Are you excited to be back?
No, I'm not. But yeah.
I don't think so, but yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, to end the video, our big announcement.
Huge.
Ginormous.
Enormous. Huge.
Huge.
Huge. It's huge.
He's this big.
Isn't he so cute?
Meet Frankie, and he's such a good boy. He was a biter at first, but he's starting to kiss a lot more. He's still hard to control. He's only like, what, 14 weeks old?
I think he's at 14 now.
Yeah, 14 weeks old. We've already had him for a couple weeks. So on top of a wedding that we're planning for next February, on top of moving to Phoenix, on top of getting a new puppy, on top of new jobs and working more hours, that's the reason why we've been gone. Yeah, so Frankie, what do you got to say?